Welcome back, homebodies. Thank you for coming back for another video. This video is actually quite special as I am doing a review for a nail company. And I must say that I have not gotten a bad batch or a bad polish from her since I have started acquiring her polishes and she started the company. So I am so excited to bring to you today Keisha's Colors and Mel B Nails. I work with them in conjunction in order to fulfill my nail desires. But if you would like to see my review, then just keep watching this video. Some of the things that I will be covering in this video is the history of the company, how I like the actual product, and then showing you what this set of nails that I have on right now. Just a quick disclaimer, these are two separate companies that I am reviewing, and I definitely feel like I absolutely love them both because one, they are both Black woman-owned businesses, but two, I know them personally because I go to church with them, and I've had the opportunity to build a rapport with them. So I feel like this video here is a twofold because I get to bring to you a product that I fully stand behind with work that I stand behind, and I get to tell you about my own personal experience. So the first thing we're going to dive into is the actual product. The company name is Keisha's Colors. I will have all of her social media linked down below in the description box. Also, just so that we are clear, I am not reviewing this because we're familiar. I'm reviewing this because I actually like the product. And one thing about me is if I can find a small company, if I can find a good product, I am not likely to budge. Now with my nail tech, because I do not do my own nails, I know my lane and I stick to it. Nails is not something that I will ever try to DIY. I'm just gonna be honest, it's not. I tried it, wasn't my zhuzh, so I kept it pushing. But my nail tech, Melissa, I absolutely love her, and I like the fact that, number one, she's all about the fluff, okay? So I will have her information linked down below because, why not? If you're in the Atlanta area and you need a nail tech, sis is bomb. If you need a nail color, sis is bomb, and she can get it done. So I must apologize. I am not necessarily sure what color this is currently because she actually just launched this color and I think it is beautiful. The brown color, I think she already had this. It was a launch that she did like a couple of seasons ago. But I will have all the details linked right here for these colors, just in case you are curious. The quality of the nail polish is absolutely amazing. It is super pigmented, very easy to work with, and it is vegan and cruelty free. Those things I have come to learn to appreciate, but it's not always something that I immediately gravitate towards when I'm working with a particular company. But in this case, I have found that the vegan cruelty-free way does tend to lend to a better product. And I can definitely attest that I have about 6 of her polishes and I'm not disappointed at all. With this particular set, I will say that I did get them in gel colors. The other 4 polishes that I have of hers are just regular polish, because when I do go to get my nails done professionally, I typically only go maybe once or twice a month, if that, because sis is booked and busy, which is a blessing and a good thing. But for me personally, I don't always have the time. So the quality of the polish has to be able to stand up to my everyday life, because I play in bleach, okay? It's not a question. It's not something that I'm guessing about. I bleach everything, okay? So I can say that the quality of the polish is definitely there, because most of my pedicures can last with just regular polish, can last maybe like 2 weeks. But you know, in the process of cleaning and whatnot, you can get a little chipping. I have not experienced that ever. I do feel like the wear of the polish is really nice, and I do feel like they apply very easily. Now, this is my first time trying her gel line, but I can say again, the application was seamless. The color was spot on pigmented. It is very on trend. It is very in season, and they're everything I wanted and didn't know I needed. Thanks for coming back for another video. I really am stepping out of my comfort zone with this review video, and I really have enjoyed coming and sharing my experience with Keisha's Colors and Mel B Nails, 2 companies that I am totally taken with, and I genuinely support. And I hope that you guys found this video informational and helpful. If you are looking for a smaller company to support and a nail tech to follow, both of them are it, okay? So with that being said, homebodies, I love you and thank you again for coming back for another video and supporting the home life.